Hello. First, using replace function. First, when you use replace function in Excel, you need to know exactly which part of the text you want to change and where it is. And it's so you provide the original text, and we are going to see the function replace. So you select the old text, select the star numbers, the number of characters, and the new word that you are going to replace. That you are going to replace. Now let's see how it works. Now you can copy and paste and replace that that uh, formula into the other cells. Now I'm going to explain substitute. Substitute it's a bit different. It's great for replacing specific words or characters within a text string. You just tell Excel the original text, the exact text you want to replace, and the text you want to use instead. If that text appears multiple times and you only want to replace in certain occurrence, you can specify which occurrence to replace, like the second or third instance. If you leave that out, it replaces all instances. We are going to see some examples of that. So, replace. This is the old text. This is the star. Yeah, the star. Just 1 second. This is the old text. This is where it's going to start, and this is what it's going to replace. In this case, mango, apple is going to replace several times, so it doesn't matter. So there is no value here, so we are going to delete it. Mm. Star number. Okay, I'm using the wrong function. Substitute the old text, the part of the text that we're going to replace, and this one. And there is a you're not selecting any value, so you're going to use it. But you can copy paste this one. But there are some examples that we wanted just to replace a couple, just one or two in certain specific position. So we are going to add another order. So in this one is the third part, and in this one is the first one. As you can see, you just do it one time.